Hey guys, Dan Fooled, Mr. Gray, Dandalf the Grey. If I look tired, it's because I am. I got a day off work today. Not to have fun and games and chill. It's to cut that goddamn fucking grass out there again. The dude coming to see my boiler. He hasn't arrived yet. So I'm very tired. And that hedge is ain't cutting itself. But, more importantly, so a couple of you messaged me about something. And then I saw it. I thought, oh, it's a bit shit. But then I forgot about it because, like I said, I'm just busy with other stuff. But whilst I was waiting for the boiler guy to come and check my boiler, it's not a euphemism, he's actually checking my boiler, I'm just saying. I was perusing Twitter, just minding my own business, and then it pops up again. Twin Paranormal Rocks, 19 hours ago. Guess what? We did it. We made this Andrew Stone Rock guy on YouTube, and he took this video down. We all support you guys no matter what. Hashtag Ghost Gang for Life. Ghost Gang. So I thought, oh yes, that thing a few people have messaged me about. I saw a thumbnail of a video called The Most Embarrassing Ghost Hunters on YouTube. Bogus evidence, disappointment, too loud, fakes. We want answers. And Ryan Reese, who one of the twins, just people hating on when they don't even know us. Twin Paranormal Rocks, we will support you guys anyway. I saw that, I thought, okay, so Twin Paranormal fans have forced a YouTuber to take a video down because they didn't like what he said. Now, I thought before I look into this Andrew Stone Rock guy, I need to look at some of his videos because maybe he said some absolutely disgusting things in that video. Maybe he talked about the way they look or something, or said some derogatory terms about the Twin Paranormal. Maybe he was the right old shitter in the video. Who knows? So I thought I'd check his channel out first. And it's this guy, Andrew Stone Rock, 133 subscribers. Only started posting 2 weeks ago, or possibly, rebranded his channel. Who knows?
Maybe 1 or 2 in the morning, and the road is as empty as the sky is dark. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, or if it's your first time, welcome to the channel.
It's my first time.
What we do here is I write a script, I write a little story at the beginning of the script, I read that to you, and then we go over what else is in the script. Today we're going over
a couple more of his videos. He makes videos on Chillingham Castle. Who was the Axeman of New Orleans? The Island of Death. Povaglia's haunted history. I always try to speak like Zach Bagans when I say stuff like that. I don't know why. It's very weird. The Goatman's Legend, Texas' most disturbing horror story. Why this house was built to confuse you. But anyway, my point is, I checked some of his videos out, and he's basically inoffensive storytelling about the paranormal. So, I couldn't see anything wrong with his channel. It's a fine channel. I'm probably going to check out more of his videos, actually. So I can't imagine he said anything really bad in that video about the Twin Paranormal. If he did, I'm mistaken. I apologize. But from looking at his other videos, he doesn't seem like that type of person to say the derogatory terms and stuff, shitty stuff that some other people say. Not me. I'm just saying. So I'm going to guess the video, because I saw his explanation in his other videos, Cursed Dolls video, explaining the Twin Paranormal situation, why he took the video down. Basically, they were ratioing him, his fans, now the Twin Paranormal fans I'm talking about. They were, disliking the shit out of his video, and when you're a small channel, that can really hurt you. When you're a larger channel, it's a bit easier to cope with, but when you're a small channel like that, dislikes unfortunately do hurt you. So basically what has happened, he made a video he says himself, constructive criticism. You're allowed to constructively criticize someone on YouTube. Everyone does it. Debunkers do it. Believers do it. UFO enthusiasts do it. Flat earthers do it. Flat earther fighters, whatever you want to call them, do it. Everyone can criticize someone. It's part of YouTube. It's called commentary. It's critique. And, everyone is allowed to have an opinion. You can't strike down someone's opinion like they tried to do with this guy. So basically, the fans of Twin Paranormal went to that guy's video, completely destroyed it with the dislikes. I don't know what kind of comments in there. I'm going to guess they're a bit shit myself. I know I'm going to guess some comments. I know this. They're going to say, but bald person doesn't some commenters from debunking community go to their channel and say some shitty things. Yes, it's unfortunate. It does happen, but that is a very small, minute group of people. The majority of people on the debunking side, skeptical side, they just give out critique and show the bullshittery and bollocks, and that's what we've always done all these years. You're allowed to criticize someone, same as anyone is allowed to criticize me, anyone else in this community. It's just the way it is. But Twin Paranormal are a special kind of breed. They're not a breed, I'm just saying. Don't take that out of bloody context. Take it what you will, whatever. Now, Twin Paranormal themselves, Ryan Reese. I always forget the other guy's name. George? It's not George. Caleb? Something? I don't know. I can't remember. But it's the other guy who goes along with him. They make cray videos about the paranormal, and they use phone apps every single time, which are useless. Totally useless, by the way. And, they overreact and create stories. They do. Twin Paranormal fans, tell me I'm wrong, please. They create stories from one word they'll get out of a phone app, and that's all of a sudden, that's the story. That's the haunting. Okay, they're having fun. They're doing very well. That's fine. That's totally fine. But the ridiculousness, and it is ridiculousness in the videos you see, is redonkulous. I went higher with the redick and redonk. You know what I mean. But my point is, they're open to criticism. You put a video on YouTube, you're allowed to be criticized. Anyone is allowed to be criticized. Anyone who says you can't have an opinion would be right at home with Stalin, Hitler, and other kinds of people like that. That's the only people who tell you, no, you can't have an opinion. How dare you? So to send... I'm not saying Twin Paranormal sent their fans to this guy's video. It doesn't look like that's where it was. But they obviously support these Twin Paranormal rocks. And I'm not, by the way, I'm not saying to go, please don't go send hate to this Twin Paranormal rocks. We're trying to just show the hypocrisy. The hypocrisy when it comes to defending your own YouTuber. You're allowed to defend your YouTuber, by the way. You are totally allowed to defend your favorite YouTuber. Nothing wrong with that at all. But be nice about it. Don't be dicks about it. If you want to say, no, Twin Paranormal are actually the nicest folks, most realist is a word, paranormal people on the YouTubes, you're totally allowed to say that. That's totally fine. Why wouldn't you defend your favorite YouTuber? Nothing wrong with that at all. When you say, guess what we did? We made this Andrew Stonerock guy on YouTube and he took his video down. Speak. I don't know what that was, sorry. So yeah, and then for Ryan Reese, one of the twins, to say just people hating when they don't even know us. Basically supporting the Twin Paranormal rocks for taking this guy's video down. Ghost Gang Power got him to take the video down. We have your backs. Sorry. When we ride, Ghost Gang. Little, what's the name? I can't remember his name. I would love to say something to him if you guys want me to. No, Kylie. It's no fine. It's fine. It's for Kylie. Don't worry. I wrote to Andrew in his comment. About 50 minutes later, he removed his video. I wrote this. What the fuck, Andrew? You should be ashamed. I'm a big fan of Twin Paranormal. They work hard non-stop and you're going to bring them down. What a pathetic you are, man. We Ghost Gang are behind Twin Paranormal. Leave Twin Paranormal fucking alone. It's a fair comment. You're allowed to say, please leave Twin Paranormal alone. Sorry. Like I said, I'm tired and I'm a bit loopy. But basically, look. Now, Twin Paranormal are not without criticism as far as, like, taking things down. Criticism, open to that all day. But, they sent a strike to Seg, the side-eye guy, a while ago. They sent a strike to the Shape, I believe. I think they removed them after a while because they realised they were out of bloody bounds with that kind of shit. Sending a strike just because someone said you might be faking is bollocks. It's bollocks. Grow a pair of balls, please. But anyway, basically what I'm trying to get at, you're allowed to criticise, you're allowed to have an opinion. Don't ever let anyone tell you you're not allowed to have an opinion. Everyone has an opinion, whether they're right or wrong, doesn't mean you can't say their opinion. So Andrew Stonerock, if you ever see this, please don't give up doing what you're doing. You're allowed to have an opinion. You're allowed to say what you're doing. You have quite a cool channel, story time with paranormal stories. I'm going to go watch some of your videos. And don't be deterred by... I'm sure not all Twin Paranormal fans are like that. It's probably like a small group, even though Twin Paranormal support that little bloody group. But do not be deterred by the foibles of YouTube. It is YouTube at the end of the day. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Put a video out there. People will like it. People will dislike it. It just happens. But keep going, Andrew Stonerock. Anyway, I'm going to post a link down below to Andrew Stonerock's video if you want to go check it out. He's just starting out. Very small. Cool little stories. I'm going to check him out. And yeah. Everyone be cool, people. The way of the exploding fist. Right, I'm going. I got a hedge to cut. I hate gardening. But anyway, thanks for watching, and bye for now.